Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be walking through how you can easily block LGBTQ content on DisneyPlus. So before starting our video, let me go ahead and disclose some of the information about LGBTQ content on DisneyPlus. DisneyPlus does not offer a way to block LGBTQ plus content specifically. Content filtering based on sexual orientation or gender identity isn't available on the platform, but you have some options for managing what content you see. So in order to do that, first of all, open a web browser and log into your Disney Plus account. Here I'm already logged into my Disney Plus account. Once you're inside the main home page, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to your profile picture. Disney Plus allows creating multiple profiles. You can now go ahead and click on Add Profile and then select an avatar for your profile on the next page. Enter a name for your profile, and then in order to block the LGBTQ content, you can also enable the junior mode. If you are creating a profile for children, you can simply go ahead and toggle on the junior mode. Finally, click on the Save button and you will be able to create a new profile where you can simply restrict mature content based on the preset rating system. This will not specifically target the LGBTQ content, but it could filter out content deemed inappropriate for younger viewers. You can also go ahead and enable the parental controls in order to restrict access to mature content. Select the profile you'd like to edit, and then once you do that, scroll down from the Edit Profile page and click on Content Rating. In order to get to the next page, you'll need to enter your password for Disney Plus and click Continue. Now on the Content Rating page, select the rating option for 7+ and click on Save. Soon after you do that, you will be able to set up a profile where you can use parental controls to restrict access to mature content. So that is the only way you will be able to block LGBTQ content or get similar effect. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.